Hey guys, your girl here, Coach Tanisha. So here is financial literacy for beginners. Now, we all know we need financial literacy, right? We all know that we need money, we need to use money, we need to invest money, we need to know how to save money. But unfortunately, in society, schools don't teach money. Now, I know in New York, they have a guidance for schools to teach personal finance from K through 12, but they really haven't implemented it yet. So, financial literacy, guys, is really our only hope, okay? We know how to spend money, but do we truly know how to grow money? So you gotta know how to get money. Of course, you gotta know how to spend money. You gotta know how to save money. You gotta know how to manage money, right? And of course, ultimately, you gotta know how to invest, okay? I learned this later in life, in my 20s, right? Learning about investing. I didn't really start investing until like my 30s, right? So we have to know this, right? So I created a book called The ABCs of Wealth Building. Now, it's not just for children. And you guys can see it here. It's also for adults, right? We need to know about money. We need to know what assets are. We need to know the high yield savings and checkings account. We need to understand credit, okay? We need to understand how debt can destroy us, okay? We need to understand, friends, the simple things. How to start a business. How does money work? How to get into real estate, right? How to, how to have a side hustle, right? How to manage my money. How to have a savings account. How to have an emergency fund, right? All of these things that we need to know that we should have learned, right? In school, right? And this would have made us way more better with money. But unfortunately, we didn't learn anything in school. So I created this book so you can go buy the book for your children. I created the coloring book so that you and your children can also be interactive, right? So how do you use the ABCs of wealth building, okay? So simple. You open the book up, you start reading it. So the first letter is A, is for assets, okay? So you read it, you see what an asset is, and then you and your child start. So what is an asset? An asset is something that grows in value, like real estate. What is real estate? So we can start writing down, right? This book, you can create a whole 5, 10, 20-year financial plan literally from this book, okay? What is an asset? An asset is something that grows in value, like real estate. What is real estate? Now you and your kids sit down and start talking about what is real estate, right? How can we own real estate? How can we invest in real estate? Whether it's the physical real estate or the paper real estate, right? How can we invest in real estate? How can we start a business, right? Jewelry, right? What jewelry do you have that's gold and silver right now that has grown in value? Those things you can do. Paintings be worth millions of dollars. Books are assets. This book is going to be around long after me and my daughter's gone because Cheyenne, my daughter, she's 17 now. She's the co-author. So she's an author at 17. I didn't become an author until I was like 29. Right? So I'm literally building wealth in real time with one of my assets, which is my book, okay? Even people grow in value, like your favorite movie star or even yourself, right? So just the A is for asset. You guys can take that one letter, that first letter, and build a whole financial plan for the month and for the year, right? If y'all want to get into real estate, start studying real estate. You want to get into, entrepreneurship and selling products and all of that, get into, start researching and start understanding, right? So the book is not just read it and then we put it and leave it in the shelf. Right? Like every other book, it just collect dust. No, this is a whole financial plan, right? And then we took it a step further and got you guys the coloring book. 26 pages, right? Now you guys can color, right? You guys can color and you can take notes, right? The coloring book is amazing too. You can take notes, right? We took it a step further. We have the workbook, okay? The workbook, right? Now, of course, if you have a baby that's under 5 years old, this is not for like 5 and under. This is probably like 3rd grade and up, right? But now you have the workbook. You and your child can go through this. This is a whole financial plan right here. Saving, budgeting, emergency fund, understanding business, how business work, all of that. And then I took it a step further for the parents to learn how to make some money. I took it a step further with this Amazon book for the parents to learn how to make some money. I've been an Amazon seller for over a decade, and to this day, I'm still making money on Amazon. To this day, I'm still making passive residual income. Every time you shop on Amazon, somebody's getting paid. It's just not you. But my book will show you how to start getting paid, right? So this is a whole wealth plan. That's why I love what I do. Like, this is a whole wealth plan. We not just, get my book and that's it. Put it in the closet and let it collect dust. No. Every month, A is for asset. Let's list a whole bunch of assets. Let's see what assets we need. Let's see what assets we want. Let's see what assets I want to leave my children. Right? Then let's start coloring. Right? I'm telling you, this is amazing. Right? Then let's start coloring. Right? Let's start coloring. Right? We give you guys literally everything right here to win. Me and my daughter. Just me and my baby. Cheyenne. Okay? Me and my daughter. Okay? She's on the financial literacy wave. She's reading The Wealth Choice right now by Dennis Kimbro. It talks about all Black successful entrepreneurs, right? So I want her to start changing her mind. There's nothing wrong with a job. I always tell both my daughters, one 24, other one 17. There's nothing wrong with a job. But make sure you know how to get your own paper. Make sure you got a product where you can go outside and sell it and make a profit. Or you can go online and sell it and make a profit. Right? So I'm raising independent women. I'm not raising who people want to be dependent on me, 50 years old, still living with me. They need to borrow money for rent. No. So financial literacy, guys, is our only hope. And this is how you start to begin. People always ask me, well, how do I tell or start? How do I start teaching my kids about financial literacy? Boom. Boom. How do you start learning, right? You start teaching your children, right? You get all 3 series. You get on Amazon, all my books, you can get on Amazon, every book. Now, if you want me to sign it, me and my daughter to sign it, then of course you got to go to my website, you got to pay for the shipping, but it's worth it, right? Because our signatures is worth millions. So how do you start with financial literacy? Financial literacy for beginners. This is something that all parents should watch. Share it with your friends, share it with your coworkers. If they always got questions about how do I start my children, talking about money, the ABC. Start learning by picking up the ABCs of wealth building. You want to keep things from people? You put it in a book. You put it in a book. Put it in a book. Put it in a book. So make sure you get all the books. Now, if you are in New York, August 8th, I'll have these books, the coloring book, the Amazon book, and the textbook for sale at my table. So this is a parent must watch. Everybody should get the book. Coach Tanisha Marie. Peace.